What's up everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm present with the latest update of the Bonfire. What is the current price of Bonfire? What is the price since occurring in the Bonfire? Be alert and be safe from lost Bonfire holders. Keep watching this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. If you look the latest price of the Bonfire in the market, so you can see here the latest price of the Bonfire is 0.00001803 USD dollar friends. That is the latest price of the Bonfire in the market. Absolutely my friends, the price of the Bonfire is very low at this time friends. But on the other side, if we look the price changes occurs in the Bonfire, so negative 10.06%, the price is fast down in the last 24 hours friends. So the price is very badly fast down, I know, but on the other side, if you look the price of the Bonfire, so the price is very low friends, and it is the end of month, so maybe that is due to the end of month, that is why the price of the Bonfire is fast down. But remember my friends, the huge pump or the huge jump of the Bonfire are coming soon. Maybe there's chances to they take a jump in the end of this month friends, and there's a lot of chances to they move upward in the start of a new month friends. Same like that, at this time the trading volume is decrease 32.257%. the trading volume of the Bonfire is fast down friends. The fully diluted market cap, oh my goodness, unbelievable. The fully diluted market cap is going upward 35.51%. The fully diluted market cap is going upward, so I'm very happy to see the fully diluted market cap of the Bonfire. Absolutely, I'm going to shocked. You can see here. Let's see my friends the price chart, what's going on. Oh my goodness, you can see here in the start of a new month friends, in the start of May, you can see here 8th May, 7th May, 6th May, they start moving upward friends. So that's mean that the Bonfire move upward in the start of a new month friends. So maybe at this time it is the end of a new month friends, and start of a new month friends start in the start of June. There is a lot of chances to them move upward friends. So be active in the market and don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, because the big jump, the huge pump of the Bonfire are coming soon in the end of this month friends. So what do you think my friends? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Bonfire? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.